So this is actually a very simple video about how to record, how to make a movie in Final Cut Pro 10. So let's just open it up, and we're going to need to have our own projects. So let's go New Project, and we'll call it Final Cut Pro 1. And there we go, there's our project. Let's import our media. And I just happen to put some on the desktop, and they're all seagulls. And this is kind of hard to figure out because they're so big. So let's make them shorter so we can actually see our clips. And we can make them bigger, smaller there. That doesn't really matter. Let's find our first clip. I like that one, so let's get that one. And I'm using my little arrows to kind of go backward there, and I'll do the out point. Can't really see that, so let's put the whole thing in there, and we can make this any size we want. So it's a short video. So there's our first clip. Now remember, I means in point and O means the out point, where you first start and where you stop. So let's go here. Let's put that as our starting point. Space it out. These are long videos, so probably don't want, you can't really see that, so. Now we have two clips together. And let's do another clip. Remember I for in, O for out, and we'll drag that one in there. And I kind of like this one in the middle, but I'm not too fond of the sound, so let's just take that one, take this one and separate the audio by detaching audio. This is not a requirement, it's just something fun. Now let's watch it. To make an exciting video, to show you how to use Final Cut. So I'd like you to make a good video. Spend some time doing that. Then when you're done, when you're satisfied, you can go to File, Share, Export File. Make sure you have computer, not video and audio. It has to be computer selected. And then export that as fcp1 on your desktop, and that one you can upload to YouTube. If you don't have it as computer, it'll probably be too big of a file. So that's our video.